7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
matakot sa Diyos, and mabait. Saka, we will support you hanggang saan namin kaya, hanggang andito ka kami.
Sana maging masaya ka and wish you all the best. Sana may katulad sabi ng mama mo, sana may takot ka sa Diyos, magalang ka sa mga magulang mo, mga nakakatanda sa iyo. Anak, thank you for coming sa aming buhay and happy birthday. Happy birthday sa iyo.
Pilot or doctor. Pero if ano man ma-decide niya pag na siya, pag lumaki na siya, okay lang, hanggang kaya.
Hi guys! So nandito kami sa birthday ni Elias ng pamangkin ko. So pakita ko sa inyo yung ito guys, may pag-giveaway sila guys na perfume dito. Then mga ganyan words. Then ito yung ay malag.
One with Ilna or one with wet bag? Where's the photo booth?
Do you want coffee? Yes, nag-photobot sila guys. So, yan. And that's the ano. But guys, automatic dumating agad. Wow. Ang ganda guys, grabe.
Kailangan pala may medlas. May makeup yun ka?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bilang man.
Malab, you want?
Like get a spider like
You know, yan yung kanilang ano guys. Yep. And they have pika-pika here. Pika-pika. Which one? I want five. That's it. I want this. See, where to get that?
Sorry, bud.
I have a vlog, Ellie. Can you hold this one? Wow, pretty! Huwag ka malaw, huwag galaw. You're so pretty, Ellie. Magpalagay ka niya, no? Ha? Oh, mag-best friend. Buntis yan sila, guys. Vlog lang niyo. Anong sasabi niyo sa birthday ni Elias? Oh. 9 months ago. Hi, vlog. This is the father of the birthday celebrant, my brother. Ninong. Ninong.
I don't have my glasses, I can see.
Me neither.
Yeah.
So, plain rice, Asian chop suey, and risotto. And mamaya yung lechon! The lechon, guys. Guys, oh. Dalawang lechon yan, guys. Dami ng tao. May mga bata naglalaro. Guys, kami pala yung tao dito sa table namin, guys.
So allow your kids na yung face po nila
Got a table to ourselves,
po
mate.
ng ating artist. Maraming
So
salamat.
far. Oh no.
With this important milestone, of course, Baby Elias Lucius Life. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, yung mga bisita po natin nakatayo pa. So
Ako
kung
pa,
hindi
ay.
naman tayo, tayo po ay makapagsimula na sa ating
Mamaya na tayo mag-pictorial.
of the night. We got Baby Elias Lucius. Palakpakan po natin ang ating Can everybody say happy go, Daddy Pat, and Mommy R. And palakpakan po natin ang napakalakas. Okay, yes. And it's indeed a very beautiful night, of course, for
The one for
family.
Elias.
The picture taking, of course, with his colleagues. So you will be joining the parents of Baby Elias and Baby Elias also here at the center for the photo taking.
Kay maghilak ka
We'll
gid.
have a break before we partake our meal and right after.
Ramdam naman ni Elias yun eh. Yun namin mong namunggang.
So please stay. Photo taking.
Yan na
Please
yun.
do proceed to our
Later,
meal
malab.
station.
What do you reckon that one is?
That's
Can we have the next
lamb.
table, please?
Marvel
Yes.
cooked it.
Oh, okay.
Samahan po natin sina...
Yun na.
Sige. Parang kumuha yata ako ng bato na ipupukpok ko sa ulo ko. Nag-invite pa ako ng Parang i-explain ko ba in English mamaya? Right now, okay. Sige po. Ayan. Parang extra large po ang kailangan ninyo. Baka pwedeng paki-adjust nung kay sir. Okay, sir. She'll gonna adjust that because this one is too tight for you. Because it seems that you have a very sturdy legs, of course. Yeah, okay.
Yummy.
Okay. Can we change? Okay. So that one is a smaller guy. Go. Kindly remove that one. Let's give it to sir. Because he needs the bigger one. Okay? Now. Sir. Okay. It is actually the famous game here in the Philippines. Okay. Diaper game. Okay. So since, yes sir. Yeah, you gotta put the one on. Okay. Huwag niyo munang iakyat. Okay.
Malab, just
Sige.
in your tie only.
Eto na lang.
Yeah,
Masyadong
there.
tight kasi yung pagkaano natin eh. Paki-ano na lang, eto na lang ibigay natin kay sir. Sige, go. O, sa baba muna. Sa baba. Sa may paanan. You know, what's your name, sir?
Clyde. Clyde.
Craig. Can we give a round of applause to Sir Craig? What's his name?
Craig po. Craig.
Hi, Craig. Okay, Sir Craig, where are you from? What country?
Australia.
Australia. We are very much happy that you are here in the Philippines. Can we give a round of applause, of course, to this amazing man here from Australia? Hello, Mike.
Good eye, Mike.
Yeah. What brought you here in the Philippines?
My beautiful wife.
No, it's not your wife that brought you here in the Philippines. It's the pilot that brought you here in the Philippines. I'm just joking, sir. Because we just really wanted, of course, to lighten the mood. So that's why I'm just teasing around here. Okay, now, what you need to do, okay na ta? Okay na tayo ta? Kasabot na tayo. Sige. Paunahan tayo, okay, papunta dito. So you're gonna have to, so you really have to be the first, ha? You have to, this diaper, of course, will reach your here. So, paunahan ha, without using your hands. So you're just gonna move until the diaper, of course, will reach your waistline. Okay. Then, all hands should be behind you. Go.
I love you have
Yes.
to do this.
Yes. Yeah. So, it's possible, sir, because they have done it many times. It seems that you are protesting. You are not in your country, sir. You are in the Philippines. You gotta do this whether you like it or not. Okay, so it's possible, sir. Gotta move, of course. Okay? You don't have to pull the diaper using your hands. So, lahat po ng kamay natin sa likuran.
Strategy.
Yan na. Palakpakan muna natin sila. But of course, we're going to interview them first. Okay. Sir, what's your name? Anong masasabi mo sa nakatunggalin mo ngayong gabi? Diba? Hindi naman nag-i-English, hindi makapagsalita. Niloloko tayo ng batang ito. Nag-aaral ka ba? Anong pangalan mo? Oh, ilang taon ka na? 14. 14? Totoo yan? 14 ka pala? Sige, 14. Nagbago yata ang ihip ng panahon ngayon. Sige. Ikaw, anong pangalan mo? Wesley. Wesley, ilang taon na? 16. And what's your message to your opponents tonight?
Kung na-Gcash, ako na og.
May Gcash talaga yan. Sir, parang may pinagdadaanan tayo sa buhay. Okay lang po tayo. Mukhang naman po kayong pulis at mukhang may naman. Sir, ano pong pangalan?
Si ate
Sir
lang
Dan.
nag-iisa
Taga-saan
pa.
po si Sir Dan? Yung taga-Pulong-Mulok. Nasaan yung mga taga-Pulong-Mulok dyan? Pumalakpak nga kayo na malakas. Ayun, they are at the back. Ikaw, sir. Ano pangalan? Sir Kit. Okay, and how old are you, Sir Kit? 33, mukhang batang-bata pa. May energy pa. Oo, nakaabang na siya. Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi kayo interview. Sige. Ikaw? Kaya mo ba ito, Joshua? Sa tingin mo, mananalo ka ngayong gabi? Di mo alam, dapat siguraduhin mo. Hello, sir. Mahal kong Pilipinas. Ladies and gentlemen, may buhok na po si Bato de la Rosa. Sir, ilang taon na po kaya? You're 28 and are you married? You are single. Okay. Sige lang po. Ma'am, parang kayo po yata ang pinakabata sa lahat, ma'am. Sige na, ready na! Pakibaba ng konti. Wesley, pakibaba ng konti. Dapat sa pa, so wag po tayong madaya. Dahil sa mata ng bata, di ba? Ang mali ay nagiging tama kapag nakikita sa mata ng bata. Pakibaba pa ng konti, sir. Pakibaba pa. Sige. Yan. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for participating. There was a malfunction but it's fine. So you can keep that one as souvenir. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Ano po masasabi niyo sa laro natin? May challenge. Na-challenge po ba kayo or easy lang?
Hi, may gabi sa tanan. Daghang salamat sa pag-adto ninyo gabi. Hi, Elias. Mga akong message kay Elias. Niadto jud mi diri gikan sa Australia para ma-celebrate kauban niya. So, happy jud mi nga naitabo ni karon para pagbako niya makakita siya na kung unsa gi-celebrate sa iyang ginikanan, nag-prepare para sa iyahan. So, very lucky jud si Bibi Elias. And naalam mi diri sa imong mga tita, ug imong parents, imong mga ninangs na kung kailangan nimo naalam mi diri na magbalangga sa imuha. Punta ang Ginoo nakanang nimo permi jud na magbantay. Punta mo dako ka na maayong bata, sulod doon sa ginikanan. Kato lang, I love you, Elias.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Kindly join at the center ma'am, for the picture taking. And now, can we have the next one? We do have Sir Erwin Ramirez. Palakpakan po natin Ninang Erwin. We're so excited to give his well wish to our baby Elias Lucio. Palakpakan natin Ninang Erwin Ramirez for his well wishes. There he goes! Of course, before he will give his message, so let's allow muna Ninang Eileen to have her photo taken with baby Elias and the parents of baby Elias Lucia. Thank you so much. So this time, Ninong Erwin is now ready. Palakpakan po natin si Ninong Erwin. So, hello. Hello.
Hi, kiss me, kiss me. Try.
First of all, thank you kay Lord kasi super tagal na ng preparation namin para sa birthday ni Elias. Nung March, since nakapag-usap kami kay Sir Robert para dito. And then, second, thank you kay Sir Robert, thank you sa team mo. Grabe, pagpasok ko dito kanina, shock ako kasi grabe ang ganda ng setup. Lahat grabe perfect, kahit sa food, sa games, lahat. And then sa photo and video, kala Sir Ken Mapa, kala Sir King. Thank you so much po. And then may kapupo, ang dami from Surigao pa, yung mga relatives ko sa Surigao, kapatid na sa mother side ko po. And then, thank you din po sa mga nag-sponsor para kay Elias, sa Caps, kay Ate El, and then kay Mama, kay Alexis, kay Uncle Bob, kay Auntie Lina. Thank you so much po. Thank you din po sa lahat ng nag-prepare kay Mama, kay Papa, kay Uncle Wade. Thank you po. Thank you kay Elias for giving us life and reason to live.
Ellie! Asa to ah? Family.
Asa si Alicia?